this guide, I'm going to show you how you can spawn in the Kraken and the Sea Serpent fast here in Sailor Peace. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, these bosses don't spawn like normal bosses. They only appear in the ocean. So don't even waste your time on any islands. You need to first get C2 and have at least a 500,000 bounty. Without that, they will not spawn at all. But once you're in C2, head straight into the ocean until you see the open sea indicator, and you just need to stay out there. Now, your position does matter. You're going to need to be super far from land, about 200 to 600 studs away. The easiest way is just going far enough so that you can't see any islands. After that, just wait. The CBs spawn over time while you're in that area. Sometimes you can get two at once, but that's extremely rare. And these bosses are so tanky, so make sure you are using a strong build. The Sea Serpent has about 625 billion HP, and the Kraken goes over 1 trillion. They drop items like bloodline stones, rerolls, and accessories, and weapons. So there's also a title with a pity of 150 kills, but that is it. Unlock C2, get enough of a bounty, go to the open sea, stay far from islands, and just keep waiting, and then of course farm whenever you get the opportunity to. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.